All right, everybody. It's quiet. The kids are up at the playground, which is super nice. We are on night three, I think, here in Iceland. It was a long day. We had a really long driving day. There was some beautiful scenery. It was a little bit long of a day with the driving, though, but we got to see this beautiful lagoon of glaciers floating in the water this morning. So that was super cool. I am here tonight. I am making Italian chicken and cheese skillet. Now, if you're new here, if you don't have this recipe, the link to get the recipe cards for these super simple one-pot meals for traveling is going to be in the link to this video. So make sure you click on that and get your recipe cards. These have been making our trips super crazy easy because all we do is grab whatever recipe we want for the day, take it into the grocery store, check off the, sorry, we're boiling over. Check off the things that we already have, like we brought our Epicure seasonings with, and we brought some basic gluten-free stuff with because we knew we needed that. And then we just go into the store and we bought some chicken, some marinara, some mozzarella, and that was it. So it made dinner super easy tonight. So make sure you get your recipe cards. And that being said, this stuff, guys, this has been making cooking gluten-free food for my kiddo here in Iceland so easy because we're not worrying about reading labels in the store. We're not worried about finding ingredients or whether or not they're going to have certain things. We brought all of our seasonings and all of our staples with us. So all we're doing is getting the fresh food from the store, combining it with our Epicure seasonings, which are free of all sorts of bad ingredients, free of preservatives, free of corn syrup, free of gluten, free of peanuts, free of lots of things. Really, really good quality stuff with our fresh ingredients from the store with our meal card. And voila, it's been done. So that's been that. I am just boiling some pasta. I'm going to mix my Epicure seasonings together here with my gluten-free crumb mix. This is a Southern baked gluten-free crumb mix. Super simple to cook with. Mix it together with whatever seasonings you want. We're going to coat the chicken and we're going to fry it in this pan. And then I will show you how it comes together all at the end. So hang tight. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Dinner is finished. I don't know if you can see this, but we've got our skillet chicken and cheese. Got some pasta that I already cooked here. We are going to put together a green salad, and it's all going to be done. So I will see you later. Okay, bye.